Nag-iimbento ka ng lyrics mo.
Wala, hindi nakatingin yung shark.
The shark is busy.
Yep, mommy.
Mm.
Mommy, the shark! The shark!
Ang pogi naman ng shark na yun.
Yes, the shark!
Talaga naman.
I'm a body girl. In the body girl. No! Yes.
Oh, shit.
You're
I
done.
like that river.
Later, maybe tomorrow. Tomorrow again.
Huh.
Look, Kuya Sam is also done now.
Oh, go to Kuya Sam.
Let's go.
Right. How was that?
What?
Later na ulit. Tomorrow.
Okay.
Oh, what about you, Monay? Your turn? Your turn too? Go? Let's go?
Done ka na din?
Are you done swimming?
No.
Let's go na.
We will prepare na for the party.
No.
Ay, nagkagaya naman ng baby na yan. Isa. Ay, I'll tell Ate Bella not to go here
Swim
na.
ka yung frog.
Ha? Oh, let's go. Alea. Ay, si Daddy is going to go there.
Swim like a shark. Shark ka
Ay,
naman daw.
mapapalo ka. Mapapalo. Go. Go.
Swim like a shark.
Bye-bye, Ate.
Bye-bye.
Swim like a crab.
Kuya, are you done swimming? Are you done?
I can teach you.
Are you done swimming? No, not yet. Not yet? We will go home na later, ah. Karan, we will go home na later, ah. What? Hindi naman kasi natutulog yung kapatid mo.
Swim like a turtle.
Ang tok-tok-tok na.